Hey guys, this is Mike. Today's October 16, 2019. I'm here to do a quick video I found this video that actually shows you Jarvis AI bot in action. And what Jarvis is a Cloud 2.0 project that does arbitrage trading and in different crypto exchanges. But in this video, it actually shows Jarvis in action doing trades, live trades using Binance exchange. So just pay attention to the I don't know if this is the correct terminology, high frequency trading. You'll see, just pay attention to the amount of BTC. You'll be shocked like how many Bitcoin or BTC they're trading daily. So anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video on that and share that with you. So for those who are interested in learning what Jarvis AI trading is in Cloud 2.0, I know there's a lot of different crypto wallet that claims that they do trading, but in Cloud 2.0, you know that this is real. So anyways, just wanted to do a quick video and share that with you. And another thing is, or lastly, I want to share that if you do sign up with me, you will get two different marketing systems that is absolutely free for you, and you can use it. And it actually has follow-up series of email, so hopefully your leads can be converted to real signups. And again, you can use this marketing system and share it with your friends, family, or advertising it on like paid traffic, or there's a lot of different free traffics out there too. So anyhow, this is one of them. It's called Network Solution Pro. So once you opt in here, it'll give you a step-by-step on how to sign up, and also you'll get your free marketing system that is coded to you. And the other page, actually, this is the other one that I wanted to share with you also. It's also Network Solution. You can use this, and it has the step-by-step sign up process, and it's coded to you. There's a video here explaining what's Cloud 2.0. So it's actually a presentation that our team did. And the other free marketing system that you can use is Coinonomy, which is this one. I know this one has been out for a while, so you'll probably see a landing page or a lead page. And this is awesome too. This works. I've gotten a few leads on this system, so I recommend that you sign up using this absolutely free marketing system, so that way you can it'll help you get some referrals. Anyways, going back to the video that I wanted to share with you, the Jarvis, we'll go ahead and get that started and enjoy the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. Like this video, and also hit the bell notifications so you can get updates on new videos or future videos. All right guys, enjoy. Bye.